Nest Wealth Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Nest Wealth is a Canadian robo-advisor designed for investors who want a low-cost, automated approach to wealth management. Unlike percentage-based fees, Nest Wealth charges a flat monthly subscription fee, making it ideal for high-net-worth individuals and serious investors looking to avoid escalating management costs. With portfolios built using globally diversified ETFs, Nest Wealth follows a passive investing strategy based on modern portfolio theory, offering exposure to equities, bonds, and other assets. It provides personalized portfolios tailored to risk tolerance and financial goals, rebalancing automatically to maintain target allocations. Security is top tier, with assets held by National Bank Independent Network, ensuring strong protection. While there's no mobile app, the platform is accessible via a web interface with a clean, professional design. Customer support includes dedicated advisors, setting it apart from purely algorithm-driven competitors. However, Nest Wealth may not be the best fit for beginners with small portfolios due to the fixed monthly fee, which can be costly for low balances. Compared to competitors like Wealthsimple or Questrade portfolios, which charge percentage-based fees, Nest Wealth's pricing structure becomes cost-effective as your investment grows beyond $100,000. Another downside is the limited tax loss harvesting features, which some investors might expect at this price point. Overall, Nest Wealth is an excellent choice for disciplined long-term investors who prioritize cost efficiency and professional guidance. If you're investing a substantial amount and want to minimize fees while maintaining a hands-off approach, Nest Wealth could be a strong fit. However, if you're a beginner or have a small portfolio, you might be better off with a percentage-based robo-advisor.